started to write the song that I cried. I cried for the true man. It was under the light. I found a real treasure. Time was under the ground backyard. Other clouds may begin to float in the sky. Other breezes do some my hair. When I was a child, they stole my bird and tore my hide. When I'm gone, my bird, gonna fly away to find another heart and to be a man, sing the truth, yeah. And freedom of mind. I'm a bird. It's still with me now. But someday my bird gonna fly away, man, you know, and yours too. But if you still have now your bird, you should trust it. You should do every what can be nice with it.